आएंगी ना ऐसे पैन करूँगा
Thank you. Ma'am, solo picture, excuse me. Excuse me.
मैम राइट लुक थैंक यू
Straight, ma'am, straight. Thank you.
Tell me. Shoot. Very excited because जब अवार्ड मिल रहा होता है तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है. बाद में बताऊंगी जब मिल जाएगा.
Okay, so ma'am, it's a two back-to-back award for you. So कैसा feeling होता है जब award आपके लिए कितना important है?
देखिए अवार्ड मेरे लिए ना एक अप्रिसिएशन टोकन बोलते हैं उसको. सो आई लाइक इट क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मुझे अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है और मेरे काम को सराहा जा रहा है. इतने सालों बाद भी अगर कोई मुझे याद रख रहा है, थैंक्स टू योर मीडिया, थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया, थैंक्स टू आज के जितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ गए हैं, दे हैव केप्ट मी अलाइव, माई कैरेक्टर अलाइव. एंड एज एन एक्टर इट्स वेरी टॉप तक पहुँचना एक चीज़ है, वहाँ पे सस्टेन करना एक चीज़ है. सो आई थिंक आई हैव टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर दैट. अपने फैंस के लिए मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आपकी वजह से मैं हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच एंड अ वेरी मेरी क्रिसमस एंड अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. जितनी जल्दी निकल जाए बेटर होगा. जितनी जल्दी एंड हो जाए ये साल उतना मेरे लिए बेटर होगा. आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट इज़ एंडिंग फॉर मी ऑन अ वेरी गुड नोट, ऑन अ वेरी हाई नोट. सो आई कांट थैंक ना, बट आई कांट वेट फॉर 2021 टू गेट ओवर. पता नहीं है इसीलिए एक्साइटमेंट है कि 21 ख़त्म हो जाए क्योंकि 21 में कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था. देखिए उम्मीद पे तो दुनिया कायम है ना, तो मैं भी कायम ही हूँ. डोंट वरी, यू शैल हियर सम न्यूज़ सून. थैंक यू. कम नाउ, कम नाउ.
Okay, so ma'am, it's a two back-to-back award for you. So कैसा feeling होता है जब award मिलता है और award आपके लिए कितना important है?
देखिए अवार्ड मेरे लिए एक अप्रिसिएशन टोकन होते हैं उसको. आई लाइक इट क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मुझे अप्रिशिएट किया जा रहा है और मेरे काम को सराहा जा रहा है. इतने सालों बाद भी अगर कोई मुझे याद रख रहा है, थैंक्स टू योर मीडिया, थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया, थैंक्स टू आज के जितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ गए हैं, दे हैव केप्ट मी अलाइव, माई कैरेक्टर अलाइव. एंड एज एन एक्टर इट्स वेरी टॉप तक पहुँचना एक चीज़ है, वहाँ सस्टेन करना एक चीज़ है. I think I have to thank all of you for that. Me fans के लिए आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे? Fans के लिए सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगी आपकी वजह से. Thank you so much and a very very Christmas and a happy New Year.
Okay, ma'am. So there are few days left for 2021. So how are you looking forward for 2022?
जितनी जल्दी निकल जाए बेटर. जितनी जल्दी एंड हो जाए ये साल उतना मेरे लिए बेटर. I am happy that it is ending for me on a very high note. So I can't thank, but I can't wait for 2021 to get over.
Any excited project in 2022?
पता नहीं है इसीलिए एक्साइटमेंट है कि 21 खत्म हो जाए क्योंकि 21 में कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं था. देखिए उम्मीद है दुनिया का है, मैं भी कायम हूँ. डोंट वरी, शादी का सब.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me. One picture, please. One picture. Yes. Smile. Thank you. Yes, sir. Please, solo picture. I will come.
बहुत हमेशा होता ही है और अवार्ड एक ऐसा टाइम होता है जब आपने कुछ काम किया होता है, वो लोगों तक पहुंचता है, अप्रिशिएट होता है, तो कुछ मिलता है आपको तो अच्छा लगता है उसके लिए। तो मैं गोल्डन ग्लोरी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और उनको शुक्रिया भी कहता हूं कि ऐसे मौके पे उन्होंने हमें याद किया और उनकी पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। बहुत कमाल का ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं हमेशा, मैं अच्छा से जानता भी हूं इनको, तो मेरी उनको भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और ये मेरे साथ हैं राजन मोदी जी हैं, अगर आप लोगों ने शादीस्तान देखी हो तो उसके मेन लीड रोल में थे ये। मैंने भी इनकी वो शादीस्तान देखी हुई है, बहुत अच्छी है, तो इनको भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं मेरी। इन्होंने भी अवार्ड मिलेगा, इनको भी मिलेगा। मैं जब ऐसे फंक्शंस में आता हूँ ना, मैं उम्मीद नहीं रखता किसी चीज़ की, मैं अपने लोगों के लिए आता हूँ, अपने दोस्तों के लिए आता हूँ, तो यही मेरा एक संबंध है इनके साथ में। तो यही एक अवार्ड है कि आप उनकी खुशी में शामिल होते हो, तो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड ये रहता है। इनको अवार्ड मिलने वाला है, ये इनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं मैं देता हूँ।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। ये अभी डिज्नी हॉटस्टार पे फिल्म आ रही है शादीस्तान, उसी के लिए अभी मुझे भी मालूम नहीं है, फर्स्ट टाइम अभी इन्होंने बताया, मुझे नहीं मालूम।
मैंने सीक्रेट खोल दिया है।
मेरी दोस्ती के लिए ही आया।
हाँ, काफ़ी सारे हैं। एक तो मैंने खुद फिल्म बनाई है, एक अपने बेटे को लॉन्च किया है, उसमें उस फिल्म का नाम पंजाबी में लॉन्च किया है, निडर है उस फिल्म का नाम। उम्मीद करता हूँ अर्ली नेक्स्ट ईयर रिलीज़ होना चाहिए वो। बाकी सब चीज़ें थोड़ी स्लो हो गई थी इन चक्रों में, और बाकी फिल्म रेडी है, निडर उसका नाम है, तो बेटे की पहली फिल्म रहेगी। राघव ऋषि उसका नाम है। बाकी दूसरी लैंग्वेज में जिस तरह मैं करता रहता हूँ, एक कन्नड़ फिल्म है जो ऑलमोस्ट रेडी है, जो जिन हीरो के साथ मैं कर रहा था वो कुछ महीने पहले गुजर गए हैं, वो पुनीत राजकुमार, बहुत बड़े स्टार थे वहाँ पे, तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ी स्लो डाउन हो गई है। बाकी तेलुगु की फिल्म है, वो है एक OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में फिल्म है, उसके लिए किया है। तो कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता हूँ जिस लैंग्वेज में भी हो, क्योंकि सब जगह काम किया है, तो जहाँ अच्छा लगता है वहाँ कर लेता हूँ। फैंस को तो शुक्रिया बोलेंगे, क्योंकि इन्हीं की वजह से तो हम अभी तक चल रहे हैं और ज़िंदा हैं, और इनका प्यार मिलता रहता है। कभी कभी कुछ हम लोग इनके साथ मिलके कुछ डांस वांस करते हैं, उसके बदले में कितने सारे फ़ैन देखते हैं उसको, फिर वो क्या क्या लिखते हैं, तो वहाँ से पता चलता है कि दे आर स्टिल विद अस, और उनको आपके माध्यम से कह देते हैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आप लोग पसंद करते रहते हैं। लेकिन हमारी कोशिश यही रहती है कि थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस जो हुआ उसके बदले में कोई अच्छा काम करें, ताकि लोगों को ज़्यादा पसंद आ सके। तो ये कोशिश मेरी हमेशा जारी रहेगी, और इन सब का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जी। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट।
वेलकम।
No, no. Hi. How excited I am? Well, I'm hosting the event, so I'm very, very excited, and
He's hosting, that's why I'm excited.
I'm sure we're going to have fun. We're going to enjoy ourselves. Or we have some incredible people who've done exceptionally well for themselves in their respective fields. So looking forward to meeting a lot of my friends, and best of luck to everybody. Is there any nomination? Well, I wish I was nominated, but the point is I'm working, so maybe the next year I would be nominated and would get an award. But I'm always nervous. You know, I always have butterflies in my stomach.
That's a lie.
Always nervous, always have butterflies, and I always I hope for the best. That's what I do. अभी तो होस्टिंग दिमाग में है तो उसी पे फोकस रखते हैं, but yes, couple of web series in the line, and as and when things happen, I shall let you know. The point is, today we always have a clause mentioning that you cannot give the name of anything. That's how they try to protect their baby. I hope it's more positive. I hope COVID goes away. I hope everybody makes money. I hope everybody is fine. Everybody in their families are fine. And everybody has a successful career. And that goes for you too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Whatever I've seen of you on both the shows, absolutely. Whatever I've seen, that's my wife.
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Congratulations on getting the award. I thought I had to come and just tell you.
So sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Fans of FOMO.
Oh, thank you.
But I loved you in Article 15, which was completely. I'm going to ask you something on that. I'm hosting the show today.
Oh, super.
That's it.
Okay. See you. Hi, how are you? Good. How are you? I'm okay. I'm not a very excited kind of person. Yeah, we got. It's nice to actually. I haven't walked a red or / black carpet in a while, so it's nice to be here. I hope we're all safe, and I want to be masked up very, very soon. I'm very scared suddenly. I'm winning something. What am I winning? I forget. Right. Well, I'm very glad that people are liking it, because a lot of people really loved the first 2 seasons, and for it's a big expectation, and I'm glad people are really liking it. I've not seen the whole season. I've seen some of it, which I really liked, and I think the writing is great. And for any show or film, the writing is at the crux of it, and if it's written well and all the characters are really well, very well drawn out, and so it's a lot of. I love playing Rohini, so it's very, very close to my heart. In real life, my friends, well, I have like a lot of girlfriends, and very solid ones. I'm very grateful for their presence in my life. I would say, I don't want to take 2 names and 3 names because I'm going to offend the others, but they know who they are, and it's amazing. After a certain age, I think women especially realize that the bond and the understanding that you can have with women
Because you need your sisters, your tribe around to root for you, to stand by you, to be your pillars. And I'm very, very thankful that I have like a solid bunch of women who I love completely. Please watch the third season and see. I hope everyone's safe. I hope the third wave doesn't come. I hope Omicron does not create havoc, and I hope just everyone to be healthy and really, and people to be a little more responsible. So I hope you wear a mask and not. I'm good. How are you? Shoot. I am, because it's for the style award, and it's different from what I usually come to get. So yeah. Yes. Diva of the Year. Diva of the Year. I hope that because we have discussed this ourselves, that we should do a music video together. So we are looking forward to doing a music video ourselves. We are only waiting for that one music video to come. We already did the third part. I don't know if there's going to be like a fourth part to it or not, but I don't know. I can't say, because we didn't know if there was a third part coming either. I don't know, it's better not to expect anything much, because if you get your hopes up for anything and it doesn't happen that way, then you are left disappointed. So I just don't expect. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm good. Yes, thank you. What am I expecting? I'm expecting to have a good time here. And it's good to see everyone out, everyone hopefully vaccinated and out. Yeah. I am. For actor turned producer. It's a new category to be nominated in. This is new for me, I'm a first-time producer, so from actor turning producer, it's nice to be nominated for this. Nothing is easy. You need a solid team supporting you, and by the grace of God, I have a good setup. So we did our first film, Ek Dua, and thanks to Farzad and Woot for giving us a platform to showcase Ek Dua. I think, this 2020 and 2021 has gotten a lot of awareness as far as health and fitness and staying healthy is concerned. So I hope that is maintained, and it only people grow even more and more healthier and look after themselves much more. So I want that to continue, and I don't want obviously the biggest hindrance in all our lives, COVID. I pray to God that it just disappears in thin air. And the geese are getting fat. No, Christmas, I'm joking. That song is there, I sang the song. Christmas is coming, the geese are getting fat. I'm into nursery rhymes now because I have 2 kids at home. Of course, Christmas, I get lovely gifts for my kids, and we decorate our Christmas tree, which is already decorated. So, eat a lot of marzipan and go to the gym the next day. My kids, their list is never ending of their gifts. they are still not yet, they've not yet started writing it, but they tell me and I write the letter to Santa and we put it in their wish list. So their list is mostly makeup and lot of dolls. Thank you.
I'm very excited because, been nominated, so I'm really excited for these awards. In digital, because I just did my debut in digital, so thank you. I'm wearing Ada Malik today, and she's an upcoming designer. She's also our very own Anu Malik's daughter. So I'm very excited that she's trying something that's so different from what her dad does, and she's shining, and I love what I'm wearing. I've done a short film, yeah. I don't, when we talk normally. So we don't actually think of it in terms of like, oh, ye compliment mila hai ya kuch. So I think it's just normal.
Christmas is coming up, seems like you are in the wine of Christmas moment. So how excited are you for the Christmas and what are your plans?
Absolutely. I'm very excited for Christmas. I think this year we're all excited about Christmas, but we're all going to spend it with people we are very close to, because there is unfortunately a virus out there. So we're all trying to be careful, but we're celebrating with, being careful. Yeah. I'm not expecting anything for 2022. I think every year when you're trying to expect something, you just get hit with these very dangerous things that happen. So this year I'm keeping my expectations open, and I'm just keeping happy thoughts and positive thoughts and wishing the best. Unfortunately, I don't follow Bigg Boss, but my friend is there, Shamita, and I wish her all the best.
Okay, so if you get a chance to go back inside that...
No, I can't answer if and what and when and why and what's going to happen, who knows? क्या पता? किसको पता था कि COVID होने वाला है? Exactly, na? So thank you so much and Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. I'm just expecting the awards to happen. It's a wonderful day and it's a pre-Christmas, and I think it's very beautifully organized. I've just walked in and I can see all the decor and everything lovely done, and you guys are all here, so I'm not really expecting anything because I don't know what to expect, but of course there will be merits for whatever people have achieved in their lives, so I think it's a wonderful day for all that. Yes, I am. For the Beauty Award? Thank you. I just think it's a very humbling feeling, and though I think it's not something that I can take credit for because you're born with certain looks and it's genetic, but it's also nice that they validate that you must take care, because I feel that women should take care of themselves and make that extra effort. So I think that's a wonderful thing, because I think women take more care of themselves and they look better and better, and they're very conscious and they're grooming themselves, and so I think that's very encouraging, and I would like them to keep getting encouraged. So I think this is a wonderful platform for encouraging people, whether it's talent, whether it's beauty, whether it's fashion, whether it's everything that there is.
and yeah, I think it just validates that you do better. Yeah, it's actually a 1920s vintage styled gown. So yeah, I think the 1920s is back. So it is a Christmas feel, and definitely it's in the air, and we're all enjoying that, aren't we? I can't hear you. I think I'm looking for no virus. I'm looking for better health for the world. I'm looking for people being happier and people being healthier and being able to do more work, more creativity, and enjoying their lives and enjoying the precious moments that they have with their families and friends, because we have lost a lot of people in the last 2 years, and I think we've all learned to value much more, and I think we should hold on to the dear ones and cherish all of them and each other, whether it's friends, whether it's family, whether it's acquaintances, whether it's meeting you all. So I think we should cherish all that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now please सामने yeah. Smile. Wait. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, right. Ma'am, right look.
Ma'am, look at me.
Wait.
Hi, how are you? I'm excited because I'm receiving an award, so very excited. Most inspiring female actor advocating mental health, so it's very, very close to my heart, and I'm really, really excited to this. Why you always ask about this question?
Would you like to get a chance to go inside that house? So would you go?
No, but this is not about that house. Why do you always ask about that house?
There are so many fans who want you to see inside that.
That's fine. We can talk about it separately. Thank you.
Hello.
Award function is going to happen. So how excited are you for this award?
I'm so happy. It's a great ending to 2021 and a great beginning to 2022. जब दिसंबर में अवार्ड मिले तो खुशी बहुत होती है. Yes, I am. I'm nominated for the most versatile actor of 2021. So I'm more than happy to be here. Lal Singh Chadda is out for release in April, so I'm most excited about that. And I've been shooting for 2 more web series about which I can't talk. Next year release hoga, and that's a very big banner, a great role. I'm excited and happy. Yeah, my second film. Yeah, I feel very lucky because it rarely happens, in the industry that you get to work with the legend twice in your career. So yeah, I think I'm the chosen one. Thank you. So there is this designer called Hina Kochar. She's from Delhi. So I got in touch with her कि award function है and I need to wear this because it's winters. So I wanted to be in a velvet Indian attire. So yeah, that's how I got it from her. Yeah, 22 में अब ऐसा लगता है कि this pandemic and this virus and everything is the new normal. What we have to do is adjust. We have to be safe. We have to be aware. Keep your mask on. I'm not wearing, but yeah. Keep your mask on. Keep sanitizing. Take care of your loved ones, your parents. Because these times are scary and ये virus मुझे नहीं लगता जाएगा जल्दी. but just hoping for the best, that we all keep working and there's no lockdown. Yes, I'm very excited about it because last year release honi thi and then because of the pandemic it got delayed. So I am very excited. We worked very hard. We've shot in the winters in Punjab and had a great time together. The story is fascinating. So yeah. नहीं मैं कभी कोई expectations नहीं रखती. Then everything becomes a surprise, you know. Everything that comes your way is a surprise. So I had a good time. I gave in my 100%, and the rest is for you all to decide after you watch the movie. You know, it's been a wonderful journey for me. I started my career in 2003 in Bombay, and never looked back. I want to thank all the fans for continuous support, love, appreciation, which is why I'm here still. And I just feel very lucky and blessed and fortunate. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi. Award function is going to happen and you are a chief guest of this award function. So how excited are you for this award function, ma'am?
Firstly, I want to thank Brands Impact for inviting me to Golden Glory Awards. I'm really happy to be here and to be able to award all the winners tonight. So thank you so much for having me.
Your song is also going on and people are more excited inside.
Okay. So maybe I have to go. I probably have to. Well, I'm really looking forward because normally we don't meet so many people except at shoot, but I'm looking forward to it. And I'm all golden. Yes, I didn't do that. I'm all fully golden. That's right. It's perfectly timed and matched. Thank you. Thank you.
मैम थोड़ा प्लीज कम दीजिए. आइए मैम इधर देखिए. एक्सक्यूज मी, सामने प्लीज. ग्रेट.
Yes, right look, sir, right. Ma'am, right look.
मैम सामने मेरे कैमरा में. मैम मैं लगा मैम सोलो पिक्चर प्लीज. मैम सोलो. एक्सक्यूज मी. मैं लगा स्माइल.
Ma'am, right look. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Brands Impact for inviting me to really happy to be here and to be able to award all the winners tonight. So thank you so much.
Your song is also going on and people are more excited inside. So how excited are you?
Maybe I have to go.
So how excited are you to meet people out there?
Well, I'm really looking forward because normally we don't meet so many people except at show.
Oh, yeah, only one question. Thank you.
I'm obviously excited. This is the first time somebody has given an award to a stand-up comedian or something, I guess. So I'm already excited to see this, what's happening inside, and so on. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for having me. Yeah. I don't know. My manager must be knowing that. I don't know. Yeah. अभी मिलेगा ना, देख लेना जो भी होगा. नहीं होगा तो वापस चले जाएंगे, काट देना, एडिट कर देना.
Hi. Yes. It feels great because we have won for the most stylish sisters, and style just comes very naturally to us, and we believe in being stylish and being comfortable in your own skin. That's style for us. So I think we're rewarded for just being us today, which is great.
It's very exciting because we won the most fashionable sisters, and it's all the more exciting because we won it together. It's, I think, our first award that we won together.
Yeah.
So it feels great. I mean, it's always amazing when you're acknowledged for your work, and being a designer, it feels awesome.
I have a lot happening next year, which I can't really talk about much because the production team has to first announce it. Only then I can. But 2022 is pretty packed for me, and you'll see a lot of it.
I'm a designer, so of course there are a lot of things on my pocket, and it's just 2022 is looking pretty exciting.
For Christmas, just probably spend time with family. I just set up my Christmas tree yesterday. So obviously in the festive mode, happy holidays to everyone, and just spending time, good quality time with family.
I think 2022 is going to be fantastic for all of us, on a positive and a hopeful note. Wishing all of you a fantastic 2022.
So I think it's going to be amazing because we've gone through, all of us have gone through a lot in the last 2 years. So just looking for positivity and golden lights, and yeah, that's about it. Just good health to everyone. No, I've said that too many times. What do you want me to say? The Chandu ke Chacha dialogue. So Nakshi will say for me to say. Start.
Really? You want me to say?
So Nakshi will say. I think even she knows it by now, so start.
I've learned it from you. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी रात में चांदी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Yeah. Okay. चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदी रात में चांदी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. Happy?
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Golden Glory Awards 2019 was very good, and we had a lot of celebrities from the town and television industry attending the event. This year, 2021, has been fabulous, I would say. Many more celebrities are turning up, and people are recognizing Golden Glory Awards as one of the premium award ceremonies of the entertainment industry. और बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमें ये ऑर्गेनाइज करके जो रियल अचीवर्स हैं, जो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, टू रिकग्नाइज देयर वर्क, टू अप्रिशिएट देम एंड ब्रिंग देम टुगेदर ऑन अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी कैन फेलिसिटेट देम फॉर देयर वर्क.
I just want to say what Amol just said, that we are here to recognize and highlight the talent of people from the entertainment industry, from the business world, who are doing good, who actually need to be applauded and welcomed, and who need to be highlighted for all the good work they're doing. So it is just an earnest effort to put all the achievers together on one platform and celebrate their success. Yeah.
Style and Glamour Awards हैं. These are for the stylish people. So then why not somebody who is an icon, who is iconic in beauty and style and fashion. So Malaika, I think, was the best choice for this, and then we feel honored to have her as the chief guest at our ceremony. It was wonderful, and she was very lovely, and she always puts the stage on fire wherever she is. I mean, people love her. It's evident. जिस तरह से बॉलीवुड में लोगों ने इवेंट में आए हैं, उनसे अवार्ड्स लिए हैं, और जो लोग जिनको उनसे अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, सब बहुत खुश हैं और हम बहुत खुश हैं. मलाइका हमारे इवेंट पे चीफ गेस्ट थी. इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद हर.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you everybody.
आज तो बहुत अच्छा दिन है और मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि स्टार्ट करूँ पूछिए. मैं तो आज बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, बहुत गॉर्जियस प्रोग्राम हो रहा है. और पहले तो मैं ब्रांड इम्पैक्ट टीम को, पूरा टीम को मैं मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं कहना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. बहुत दिन से पूरा इंडिया में, पूरा जो राज्यों में जो लोग हैं, जो अच्छा काम करते हैं, उस लोगों को चुन के ला के सम्मानित करता है, फेलिसिटेटेड करता है. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है और मेरे को भी बुलाया गया है. आज मैं यहीं पर आई हूँ एज ए गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर. तो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर का सम्मान दिया जा रहा है मेरे को, तो मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मेरे को लगा जो आना चाहिए क्योंकि ब्रांड इम्पैक्ट टीम बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहा है, तो इसीलिए इस लोगों को थोड़ा सा बूस्ट करना चाहिए, बूस्ट अप करना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए मैं आई हूँ और बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आज मलाइका अरोड़ा भी आएंगे, बहुत सारी सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी आएंगे, तो अच्छा लग रहा है. या फीलिंग तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं बहुत ऑनर्ड फील कर रही हूँ. हाँ, मैं एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर हूँ. मैं कोलकाता से मैं आई हूँ और मेरा काम तो एस्ट्रोलॉजी है और मैं एक ऑथर भी हूँ. तो इसलिए मेरा काम बस चलते रहता है. कभी कभी जब ये लोग बुलाते हैं तो मैं आती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को लगा है इस लोगों को थोड़ा बूस्टअप करना चाहिए, इसीलिए मैं आई हूँ. और काम भी मेरा अच्छा से चल रहा है और मेरा काम है लोगों को देखना, सेवा करना. मैं एक सोशल वर्कर भी हूँ. एस्ट्रोलॉजी मेरा पैशन है, उसका साथ मैं सोशल वर्क भी करती हूँ. तो अच्छा चल रहा है. ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you. Malika ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, I am. I'm nominated for the most versatile actor of 2021. So I'm more than happy to be here. Lal Singh Chadda is out for release in April, so I'm most excited about that. And I'm in shooting for 2 more web series about which I can't talk. And next year release hoga, and that's a very big plan. A great role. I'm excited. Yeah, my second film. Yeah, I feel very lucky because it rarely happens, in the industry that you get to work with the legend twice in your career. So yeah, I think I'm the chosen one.
Okay, ma'am. So tell me something about your look. You are looking really good. Thank you.
So there is this designer called Hina Kochar. She's from Delhi. So I got in touch with her कि award function है and I need to wear this because it's winters. So I wanted to be a velvet Indian attire. So yeah, that's how I got it. Seriously, guys, can't you just keep a distance? Thank you. Thank you. Hi.
Mic दे दूँगा.
बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट है.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, ma'am, one minute.
फोटो से थोड़ा काम भी करने दो यार.
Not obviously. हाँ, बहुत काम हो रहा है. One picture over here, please. Thank you. Come here.
तुझे भी लेना है विजुअल? थैंक यू.
मैम प्लीज प्लीज.
प्रिपरेशंस कर रही हूँ मतलब जो भी कुकिंग का है वो कर रही हूँ.
वो कर देते हैं.
टू मैसी.
5 मिनट के लिए.
नहीं बहुत मैसी हो जाता था. सो देख लेते हैं. आई कैन स्क्वीज वन इंटरव्यू और समथिंग.
I'll speak me for me. You call me na Kali.
हाँ.
प्रशांत इज रेडी.
हरिका देख लेना.
Yeah, he's ready.
हरिका.
मैं देखती हूँ ना.
हाँ यार क्या बात है.
चलो चलो.
मैम मैम. How are you, ma'am? How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
हाथ मिलाया सैनिटाइजर.
मैम एक सवाल.
क्या है अभी
बस एक
तुम्हारा
सवाल.
सवाल.
नहीं हटाया नहीं होगा. अमन सर.
Just probably spend time with family. I just set up my Christmas tree yesterday. So obviously the festive mood, happy holidays to everyone, and spending time, good quality time with family.
Okay, so 2021 is going to end. How you are looking forward for 2022?
I think 2020 is going to be fantastic for all of us. Positive and pushing all of you. Fantastic. So I think it's going to be amazing because we've gone through, all of us have gone through a lot in the last few years. So just looking for positivity and golden light and yeah, that's about it. Just good health for everyone.
Okay, ma'am. So can you say that your famous dialogue?
No, I've
Ma'am,
said
please.
that too many times.
Ma'am, please. For yeah. Your famous. Yeah.
So actually, you say, who
You both have to say. You both have to.
I think even she knows it.
Ma'am, it's your turn. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
साइड में आ जाओ ना। हाँ हाँ। Easy.
Straight down? Yeah. Bus, please.